Hi friends, Dr. Christopher Hobbs here, and we're going to make an ivy syrup. And here is the ivy. This is Hedera helix, is the ancient name for the English ivy. And it grows everywhere. It's very common, as you know. It's got these heart-shaped leaves, as you can see, and they're kind of crisped here, or the margins are a little bit wavy. And some of them are arrowhead shaped. Some have this little flange on the side here. That's pretty common. And here are the berries. I couldn't only find a couple dried ones, but they have big clusters of these purple berries earlier on. And what you want when you're picking ivy tips and you want to make your ivy tip syrup, and it really is the absolute best herb for cough, phlegm, dissolving phlegm, getting it up, thinning it out. It's really, there's no better herb in the materia medica. And here is the main point. You want to, and come up on it here a little bit, you want to get the young tender leaves only. And you can see here, see how these are, here's an older leaf here, it's kind of leathery. These have a lot of saponins in it, much more than the young tender ones. The young tender ones contain the compounds that are active, but they don't contain, they're not as irritating. So this is what you want, these young tender leaves here, and you're going to snip off one of these little young tender shoots and then simmer it for about 10-15 minutes to get the saponins out. You don't care about the essential oils. And then once you get a dark tea, get enough of these in, you can see how big it is here. It just really spreads down the banister here too. You can see, so it spreads, but it is so valuable and it's such a great herb. Anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, thins the mucus, helps get it up. And there are plenty of products out there on the market. Most of them, unfortunately, are in plastic containers. So that's why you want to make your own. One reason why you want to make your own. And again, just the young tender leaves, simmer it, make a strong tea, and then you can simmer it down until it's pretty thick. Put some honey in it. Honey helps stick to your upper respiratory tract. And then if you want to put some thyme herb in there, that's classic. Pick some thyme, fresh or dried, and put it in there. And don't boil it, but just steep it for about another 15-20 minutes. And then pour that off, add your honey, and you have your honey ivy cough syrup. And it is unbelievably wonderful for just any kind of phlegm, congestion, cough, upper respiratory tract infection. So more later. We're going to show you how to make it in the kitchen in the next installment. Thanks so much for watching.